What can you tell me about? So this is a new model.
So this is yeah. Let me let you experience some of it because it's really cool.
We had I think one of our football guys on actually.
Okay, yeah.
But it's interesting that the new orange.
This is a real game changer for what you can do as a coach on here. So you guys squat on the original one all the time.
We have the first, I guess we call them what, first generation or the.
I call them the OG version. The OGs. So we'll go really light unless you want to. You like squatting?
Yeah, you go light.
Okay, we'll go really light just so you can experience. So this bottom position is just like what you have. So let's do like 9 reps, and then on number 9, I just want you to just hold it up there. So this is getting heavier as it goes up, just like as if you were using bands or chains, and it's lifting. So this is a quad dominant move right here. There you go. We're gonna do 9 nice, good reps. Sweet. There you go. Those are good squats.
Thanks.
I like that. Okay, there's 7. 8. One more, brother.
One more?
One more. There you go. Now just stand right there. So now we'll change the strength curve. This is one of my favorites because it's hard to do. You can't do it with any other implements because it's going to get heavier as it goes down. So here's glute and hamstring dominant. Get 9 more. So it's heaviest in the bottom now. There you go. 4. 5. 6. Good. 7. 8. 9, good, and just stand right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away the machine's leverage advantage. So if you'll notice, I'm putting the weights as if you have a bar on your back now. So this is a 1-to-1 come to Papa moment right there. Right, so give me 9 reps.
I'm not going to be able to get 9 in here.
Give me whatever you can get. I'll inspire you a little bit. You have to get at least 6. There you go. There you go. You're doing great. 2 more. I'll help you if you need it. Just say, "Daddy, help me," and I'll jump right in. There you go. Lock that out. And slowly set it down. Good job. How'd that feel?
Big difference.
See, what I like about this is I don't think you'd ever need to bar squat ever again if you had something like this. You can actually load the athlete up so intensely but still keep his back flat. And it requires no skill. I mean, you're obviously a good squatter, but you're going to have guys that you have to teach and coach and do all that. They just get in it and go.
Yeah, I like so ours don't have the strength curve on this.
Right, right. So the normal squat has these 2. This squat is, and we still make that. This is the XT squat, the extreme squat. So you have that option to go there.
Yeah, no, this feels just like a barbell squat.
Oh, it definitely. If you looked at you where you were lined up, this bar is like sitting right on your back at that point. But you have the ability to have the safety of the machine.
Right. So, true. Load in the bottom, load at the top.
Right. So here we got glutes, hams. Here we got quad dominant, and here we got true squat right there, all the way like a real dead squat.
And these are your range of motion pins?
Yep, and you can control how deep the lifter's going right there by just moving these up and down. So if you don't want them going below 90, you can set it wherever the athlete is. Or if you got what I call cheetah girls, you know, they're never hitting depth, and you're like, okay, that rep didn't count until I hear it click.
I like it.
You know, so that's a good coaching tool right there. And the other thing, you know, if you're training intensely, if a guy goes down and rather than shoot his back out, just tell him to set it down, pull some weights off, and then let him get up. You don't have to worry about trying to fight through the rep and throw their back out or anything like that. Now the unexplored region is how you can manipulate all three. So let's say you want a little bit down here on the bottom, a little bit here on the top. You might want to just keep 50 pounds up here all the time and then do your loads here.
Right.
And now you can create all kinds of strength curves on your own.
Makes sense. So you can play with that set weight, almost like a barbell, and then treat that as how much band tension you want.
Exactly.
Chain.
Yeah, exactly. And then you do the reverse chain up here, so that would be really cool. So when you guys get your first 6 in there, I'll come out there and watch you and see how you do it.
Absolutely. Hopefully do more weight next time.
Yeah, man, you did good.
Thank you.
Thank you.